Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a date object in the JavaScript. You know that we have discussed about a object. What is the object? Object is a real world things, real world entity which have a uh, two things. One is a properties and another is a methods. So same like this one, date is a object in the JavaScript. It will have a different types of method, and then we will access that methods to get different things or to different things we have to set. So what is the date object in the JavaScript? Date is the object in the JavaScript to get or to set date and time. You can set and you can get date and time. To create a date object in the JavaScript, what you have to do, you have to create a date object using a new keyword. I declare a variable in which date object will be stored, and then using this variable I will be able to get the different types of methods of this date object. New keyword is used to make a date as an object. This is a way you can use and you can create date as a object. So the next PPT slide I will show you there are different methods you can get using date object method. In the next PPT slide I will show you there are different methods you can get using this variable from this date object. So first of all, get full year. You can get full year. For example, 2011. This is a full year. You can get. You can get month. Month you will get from 0 to 11 value. It will start from 0. And get date. Get date. You can get date from 1 to 31. And get hours. You can get from 0 to 11. And get minutes you can get from 0 to 59, and you can get second also 0 to 59, and get millisecond from 0 to 999. Get time you can get time, you will get second from 1st January 1970. Since 1970 you will get second. And get day you can get day from 0 to 6. For example, today is Monday, it will display 1. If today is Tuesday, it will display 2. So it will display values from 0 to 6. So these type of methods you can get using or from the date object. So another is you can set also different values. There are set methods. For example, you can set date. So here is a get date. You will get current and accurate date, but you can also set date by default. When you mention here when 1, you set here set date as a 1. When you use this method get date, you will get 1. If you set here 10 in the set date method, and when you try to get date, you will get 10, because by default you have set a value in the set date method. In the next, set full year, if you mention here 2010, and when you try to get full year using this method, you will get 2010, because you have by default set a value in this set full year. Same like this one, these are the different set methods you can use. Next is date object UTC methods. UTC method, these are same like previous methods, but this will return according to coordinate universal time. So get methods, get UTC full year. So all these we will discuss in the PPT slides in the previous class. Just the difference is that UTC, a coordinated universal time, according to this you will get full year, month, date, hours, all things. So to understand more, to see its practical, we go to PPT. So to understand more, we go to Notepad to learn. We go to Notepad to see its practical result. In the Notepad, I want to save this file. First of all, date object dot html. Now what I have to do in the script tag, first of all I want to create a date object. This is a date object. Using new keyword I can create a date object, and I will store in the variable date. So this is a variable. Using this variable I will access all the methods. So first of all I will use a document dot write and date dot, for example, get full year. You will get full year according to current time. I save this file. This is file date object. Open this file date object. You can see that it is displaying 2021, and I can also get more. For example, get minutes. I will get minutes when I refresh 45, and I can also use a line break. For example, line break. I save this file, refresh. You can see that I will use here concatenate full year and equal sign, and here I will use a minutes copy. You can see that. So this is the get methods. All the get methods I will use these methods here in this file. I pause this video because it will take time to write. It is very easy. I will teach you each and every line. You can see that I have wrote all the methods, get methods. You can see that get full year, but here is something missing. I have forgot. I have to use month, and this one is a date, and this is a hours. Here I have to write minutes. Here I have to write seconds, and here I have to write milliseconds, and next is day, and the next it will be a time. Time will give you in the second from the 1st January 1970. So I have saved this file. When I refresh the web browser, you can see that all the times of date and time are displaying here. When I refresh, you will see that here setting is seconds changing, millisecond are changing, and this time will change. So you can see that this one is a very easy. Now these are the get methods. Now I will show you how you can set different types of for example date, full year, hours, millisecond. So all about this one I will discuss with you. So first of all I want to take set method from a set date. You can see that this one is a get date, and this is a set date. So variable is a date. Using variable I will set a date to 3 or 03. I save this file. When I get date, date will be 3. Today date is 30. You can see that date is 30, but by default I am mentioning and I am setting by default a date will be 3. So when I refresh, you can see that date is 3. When I want to change full year according to set year, I want to set a full year. When I write from in the full year to set a full year, it will display 2010 rather than 21. You can see that it displaying according to your set value, it will display. So you can also change its hour according to your instruction. For example, set hours, I write here hour will be 4, and according to your instruction it will display. Now it is displaying 20, it means 8. So now it is displaying 4. So according to your instruction, it will display different types of date and time. Now these are the more methods. You can see that according to UTC you will get full year, year, month, date, hours, minutes, second, millisecond. I can also change. I can also check a UTC full year and put a parenthesis, get full year. It will show you a UTC full year. You make a comment, it will show you 2000. Something is missing here. Get UTC full year, and you have to put a parenthesis ending. When I refresh, you can see that 2011. You can see that it is displaying 2021. You can also set a month of UTC, capital UTC. You will get a month according to UTC. This is a month, this one is a 10. So it will be same, just here will be changing of hours. When I write here UTC, you will get UTC hours. Now in the Pakistan there is a hour 4 hours that I set, just I remove from here, and also for this time I remove. When I refresh in the Pakistan there's 28 o'clock. When I change its simple method to UTC, it will display a year of hours of according to UTC. It is a 3 o'clock 15 is displaying. So these are different methods, simple get method and get UTC methods you can use, and you can also use set methods to set different types of values of time and date according to your requirement. You can use date object in different applications. When you build any applications in which you have to mention date and time, and sometimes you have to perform operations on different date, you have to use date object. And I will create a course in which I will show you how you can date object in the project, in the applications. It will improve your JavaScript programming easily. If you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.